Hey, how's it going? My name's John, and I recently just purchased this Soyo Salt Bay face cleansing brush. Main reason I purchased this brand is because of the cost combined with the wireless charging ability, which I'll show you in a little bit, and its ability to be waterproof. So I filled up some water in my sink here just to show you how waterproof this actually is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and submerge it and give it a try. So it's completely underneath water. I'll go ahead and turn it on. As you can hear, it's working. You can see the little bristles are shaking. I'll put it on the next level as well. As you can see from the water, it's definitely still completely working. You can hear it. And take it out. It's still working great. And this is because it's wireless charging. It has absolutely no way for any water to get into the actual brush itself, so the electronics are completely protected. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I take off the brush head and the charging. Okay, so I just plugged in my little charger, and it's actually really cool, really simple. You just place it down here, and it's magnetic. You can see that it shows that you start charging because it's blinking. That's how you know it's charging. But I think this is really cool, and it's actually magnetic too, so it's not hard to find. It's not going to like fall off really easy. So I really like that. That looks really cool. Big fan of that feature. So as you can see here, it comes with this clear case that goes over the brush so your bristles don't get dirty or anything. And I really like how they have incorporated little gaps, little cuts in the plastic, so that way the bristles can still dry out while they're in the case, and it's not going to get moldy or gross or anything. And real quickly, I'll actually try to do this one-handed. It's really easy to take to replace this brush. You can actually just twist it, and then it just pops. Let's see, pops right off. You can see there's just like a little groove here that you just have to slide into. So you just line that up with these little marks right here. This whole assembly here is just stays in there, really nice. And that way you can replace this bristle. So if you've used it for a long time, if these are getting kind of old or worn out, these are extremely soft bristles. So if they start having issues or anything like that, like mainly just getting old from use, you can just replace them. They sell replacements online, which is awesome. That way you don't have to keep buying like a whole new brush every single time. And then to replace it, all you gotta do, line the grooves up with the little dots, push down and twist, and it's good. It's back on there. That's how you know it's good to go. And then touch the button, it turns it on, starts spinning the inside. It's extremely easy to use. I highly recommend it if you're looking for any kind of facial brush. It feels really good. The bristles are really soft. Having the two different modes, the wireless charging and the waterproof, so I can just do this while I'm in the shower. I give this 5 stars. I really like this. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and yeah, enjoy.